Welcome back to this channel. My name is Josh Jones. If this is the first time meeting, I teach about affiliate marketing, online business. I teach about how you can make a side income from your primary job. I teach you how to do what it is that you see other people do online with their business. How to generate leads, how to make sales from those leads, how to build an email list using content marketing, affiliate marketing, attraction marketing, email marketing. Yes, a lot of things marketing on this channel. So if that interests you, go ahead and subscribe. Make sure you follow. You'll get notified anytime I put out a new video. If you have any questions or comments, you can leave it at josh@jonesrandomknowledge.com. My website is jonesrandomknowledge.com. I'll leave it in the bottom of the video, of course, for you to go and check it out for yourself. Now we're going to go ahead and get into this video content, but I just want to say thank you for your time ahead of time. Alright, this presentation, I'll be going over how to promote affiliate products without your own results. These tips are shared and they are proven to work from others. At the end of this video, if you stay to the end, I will go ahead and give you a resource so you can go ahead and watch another video from a high ticket, 6-figure or probably 7-figure now affiliate that teaches this in depth. But I just wanted to reshare this as this was inspiration from one of his videos. So if that interests you, stay to the end. And I'll give you the resource to go and check that out next. Now please understand that as I teach this, at the time of this, I am teaching you based off of my own experience as a beginner when I started out in October of 2019. I remember what it was like to feel like I have no results. Who am I to teach anything? Why would anybody want to listen to me? And that may be the same as how you feel today. And if it is, then stay through this video because you're going to get some knowledge out of this one. Alright, now disclaimer. Anytime I talk about making money online, I have to give this income disclaimer. The income is not guaranteed. You're the one responsible to make the money. This is for informational purpose only. Let's begin. So today in this video, I want to give you 3 tips. And yes, this video is going to be short compared to what it normally is. And I'm testing this out for a reason. I want to see how many people are going to watch this video because it's shorter than my average videos. I'm going to get right to the point. These are 3 tips that you will learn from the resource I talked about at the beginning of this. At the end of this video, you'll have access to that resource and you can check it out for yourself more in depth on these 3. So the first thing you want to do is you want to leverage your story. It's very important that whoever you're talking to in your audience, that you can relate to them, they can relate to you based off of your story. What sets me apart from others, what sets you apart from others is your story, your unique self. As you hear and have been taught on my channel, if you are new here, you won't know what I'm talking about, but if you are a returning viewer, you'll know exactly what I'm talking about. You leverage you leverage your story and other people's success as well. You tell about how it was for you in the very beginning of your story when you started your journey online in this industry. If you're teaching affiliate marketing, how to become an affiliate marketer, such as I am with this video and in this content on this channel, then I'm sharing my story, my journey of how I started my online business, teaching others how to do affiliate marketing through online video, such as you see in the message up top there. Hey, I want to interrupt you real quick and let you know that there is a free ebook. It's called On My Way to Freedom. It's a checklist document. It's got 10 successful steps that have been proven to work in the industry for affiliate marketers by 6-figure affiliate marketers. They're notes and emails all compiled together, what I have gathered in my journey. I'm giving it to you for free. Just go to my website. The information is at the end of this video. Thanks. Continue watching. You talk about what it was like before and what it is like now. What you do is you share your story and let them know this is where I was at. And I'm just going to give my story just briefly here. I was suffering with trying to make the bills at the end of the month. I was trying to find a way to make money online, but I wasn't sure how to do it. So I looked into ways to make money through digital products. I tried different business models online, and then I realized that the best business model that I should do is affiliate marketing. So I shifted gears from the other business models, which I won't mention here, and I learned the secrets of the successful affiliates in the industry, how they're making their money through their content on the internet. and then I reshared as I learned. As I taught here before in other videos, I learn something, I do it, and then I teach it. That's the success strategy that I do. So in your video content, if you don't have any results whatsoever, you can use the phrase, you can potentially earn $1,000 with one click. In theory, if one person clicks through to your opt-in page, goes through your funnel, opts into your offering, pays for that, purchases that item, whatever that may be, you then made money off of that person. In the high ticket affiliate world, $2,500 would be paid, $1,000 of 40% commission would be paid out to the affiliate. That's where we get this $1,000 with one click from one person. So you phrase your wording as, you could potentially earn X dollars doing this strategy. In this video today, you will learn how to make X dollars a day doing this blah 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 X, Y, and Z strategy. So you don't guarantee it, because you can't guarantee it, because you don't know who it is that you're teaching at the time, going over the internet to their house, to their destination, through their screen, teaching them this strategy. So you don't guarantee anything. You just say potentially, or you could earn, or this is how I did if you have already gotten that result. You teach and empower others, and again, the strategy is you learn something, you do it, and then you teach it. Alright, so you stayed all the way to the end. This is where I wanted to take you first. My website at the top, jonesrandomknowledge.com. There's a free affiliate marketing gift for you. When you go through the steps inside, you will learn how to generate leads for your business, which leads to sales. It is an ebook / document. At the end of this video, you're going to hear me say it one more time. Remember to click the link below for your free proven steps. So make sure you do that. Alright, now I said that I would send you over to the resource that you can watch this video more in depth in. Well, in order to get access to that video, you got to go through this process. It is delivered to you in my email, along with some other freebies that I give you. I reference this video in my email list that you can go and check it out for yourself and watch the video from the other creator, content creator / affiliate marketer in the business industry. Anyways, I hope this was helpful. One more thing. If you would, please refer a friend. Tell them to go to Google and type in Jones Random Knowledge, just as you see. Thanks.
Remember to click the link below for my free ebook of proven successful steps. Be good to others, because God has been good to you. Until the next one, take care.